Alright folks, the Trash Panda is back. But before I get into that footage, I want to say the hero of the night for me has been my 4Pro Nitrile purple gloves. And no, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. These are just the best cheap work gloves I have found. They fit well, they don't tear easily, they resist fluids, and they're way, way better than those cheapo Harbor Freight gloves. And I'm going to put a link down in the description. Just go check them out at least. If you buy these or any other gloves, it'll help out the channel a little bit. It's only $6.99 for a 100 pack, and these things last me forever. This was my last pair, and I've been sorting tons of junk, including like screws and nails and rivets, and they still didn't rip, so that's been great. But just wanted to throw that out there. Go check out the gloves. It'll help the channel. Here's Trash Panda. Hello? Hello? I wonder if I put that Raccoon on selfie cam, what it'll think. Alright, so I was just sorting stuff in the garage. As you can see, the Trash Panda's over there. And hopefully he doesn't want to get too friendly. What's up, buddy? He's going up on our porch to get some food.
Hi, Polly Molly. Hi, Polly Molly. Hi.
I'm trying to work here.
You're fine.
They're so cute when they use their little paws. Don't get closer to it. There's no purpose in that other than potentially getting bit by a raccoon.
Hi, Polly Molly. Hi.
It's feeling around in there to eat stuff. Jesus.
It's all the oil from the salmon.
Mm. He's just eating fish.
Mm-hmm.
Eating good today.
Yes. Now I take the little gray stuff out. He's eating all that.
Mm-hmm.
I figured get rid of time.
Wonder how long it's gonna eat that stuff.
This is going to take forever. Polly Molly, get down for a little while, okay? Because I got to go in and get some plastic. CJ's waiting for
We're
me.
locked out of the house. Hey, you
Yeah.
just made yourself coffee.
He'll go.
Don't step on all the rivets.
I know. You'll go.
Jesus. Will you not get in the way of the raccoon? Cornering a raccoon is not a good idea.
Polly Molly, get down.
Wait.
Hey,
Will you stop?
Polly Molly, I gotta go in the house. Go on, get down.
It does not give
You
a
can come
crap.
back in a minute.
It just does not care.
Polly,
Don't get too
that's
close
enough.
to it. Will you stop? I don't want you to get your scratched face by. You're not gonna win this round. You'd have to make a loud noise over here.
There
Oh,
you
there you
go. Come back in a little while, okay?
go. Bye. Jesus. Oh my God.
Thanks, honey. I'll get you some plastic. CJ, I'm just gonna get it.
Well. Oh shit. He's back. I was just about to vlog. It's back. You didn't get enough? What the heck, man? Well, so I was trying to clean in here. The garage is mostly done. That's probably what my video was going to be about tonight anyway, but I think I'll just upload this because everybody's been missing the raccoon. Not much of a daily upload, but at least it's something. Yeah, so while the raccoon's eating, so I've been sorting these. I had like 4 bins just full of crap, and that one's still like mostly full. And I've got old tools, brackets and stuff I can weld stuff with, rivets, screws and nails, nuts and bolts, washers, hooks, casters, electrical, plumbing, painting, scrap metal. There's a few other things too. He has some like drill bits and markers and sockets. Yeah, so that's almost done. And then I have this space over here clear, and I'll get that all set up. And then once the garage is fully done, I will give you guys a real video on what's been done here with a whole montage of cleaning it because it's been ridiculous. But in the meantime, God, this raccoon is going to be so greasy. That's all like salmon juice. Gross. Hello? Hello? I wonder if I put the raccoon on selfie cam, what it'll think. Alright, so selfie cam time for the raccoon. Do you see yourself? Oh shit. Oh wait, I might not want to do that, because then he might think there's another raccoon. Right? I don't know. Look, it's you. Do you see yourself? Hello? Raccoon selfie cam. Alright. I guess so, yeah, he's just finishing it. Just gonna go all out. Doesn't give a damn about me.
Hey, pal. Come on.
Stop.
No,
don't
come in.
don't let it in the house.
Do not come in.
Close the cat door.
I can't.
Well, put your
There's too
stuff
many
down.
things in my hand. Is he trying to come in? Scare him sufficiently.
Well, yeah, it'll probably just come back. Well, anyway, I got a bunch of like plastic containers now to sort stuff into. Oh, damn it, it's back again. Anyway, maybe I'll film the raccoon some more. Haha, cat door's closed, you can't get in the house. Oh god. Sometimes it looks at you and you're like, shit. No, there's nothing over here for you. And, but anyway, once I'm done sorting all this crap, basic point. Stop.
No, I feed him all the time.
Oh, well, you know, that's how you get ants. Okay?
How you get ants?
That's how you get ants. Do you want ants? And by ants, I mean raccoons.
See you later.
I wonder if they puff up like cats when they're mad or threatened. But anyway, once the trash pan is gone, I'm gonna clean up all this stuff, put it into containers, and then I'll finish out this video, which is just a lot of ridiculous raccoon nonsense. You know, they're smart. I'm sure he can open that door too if he really wants to. There's nothing left for you. Get out of here. Go. Oh my god. Greedy little bandit. Remember the white trash panda? Needs a mullet. A mullet. I think I told you all about that, right? I should make the channel mascot a raccoon with a mullet. If y'all saw my mullet. If you haven't seen my mullet, I'll put like a thing up here to the mullet video. It was ridiculous. It was great. But a raccoon with a mullet, and it could be the white trash panda. Jacob from Rust Belt Garage liked that a lot. Check out Rust Belt Garage. I'll put a link to that up here too. Still going for more stuff. But yeah, so I'll finish this out once I can actually finish my work, I guess. Push off, please. AKA bye, Felicia. Will you go? Oh shit. Oh shit. I ain't mad. You don't gotta get mad either. Come on. We can be friends. Alright. Alright, I see. Oh shit. Oh, there's no food here. Fuck. I'm backed into a corner. Will you get out of here? Go! Go! Jesus. Jesus. Go on, get! Yeah! Alright, back to work, hopefully. Alright, folks, so I hope you enjoyed the footage of the raccoon and everything, and I have been sorting more. I was gonna just finish this out tonight, but it's like 12:45 a.m., and I'm just pretty much bushed, so I'm gonna get at this tomorrow and finish it all up. But I will show you briefly what I've been dealing with. So, like, basically I've got, yeah, the tools, everything that I showed you, the piles have just gotten bigger, but I've been sorting through this crap. I mean, it's just absolutely disgusting. It's like a mix of dead bugs and sand and rocks and oil and who knows what to get all this stuff. Like, the nice thing is, like, a lot of it is really useful. Like, look at all these beastly bolts that I found, right? But the bummer, like, because this is usually a jackpot for car people, right? But the bummer here is that most of these are standard. They're imperial thread, and I'm pretty much all metric. So bummer there, but you can still use those for all sorts of things. So that's really cool. And lots of like brackets and stuff that I can use to weld. Like, you know, this might be really useful to make like a transmission mount, maybe when I'm working on the V10. So lots of cool stuff found still. Anyways, it's all like valuable and useful when you ever need it. Like, I don't know what all these little brackets are for, but they're definitely something, and I have a bunch of them. And I've got a bunch of rollers over there for like if I want to make a drawer. So it's all cool. But anyway, I'm going to finish that up tomorrow, and then I'll be putting it all like into organized containers. I've got like one more bin over there of my stuff that I want to go through and move all this crap around. And then there will be the garage cleaning montage. Hey, I haven't done this in a little bit, but if you made it all the way to the end of this video, leave a comment about what you're most interested in this pile of trash. Like anything that catches your eye. Also, look at this little guy. Can't tell if he's like happy or surprised or what. But also, if anybody knows what these are, let me know. I have no idea what these little things are. Probably just gonna toss them. All right, that's all. Let me know if you made it to the end of the video. I am almost to the point where I have this awesome garage to work in. So, hope you all are coming along for the ride. Thank you very much. Catch you soon on 802 Garage with my mascot. Later. Geez, I just thought about it, and I think I was out here for literally 3 hours sorting all this crap, and I'm not even done. Good night, everybody.